Our pride has no price.
National Security Advisor. So what do you say to that?
So if you go to a police station today, you will need to buy your own foolscap sheet to write your statement. Don't you know that? Don't you know that if you are detained in the police today and you have malaria, you have to buy your own medicine? In fact, the person that reported you have to bring money to buy medicine so that the police can get you anti-malaria medicine. They have no budget for it. The police budget for fuel, and I use that argument because I have managed the Federal Road Safety Corps. The police budget for fuel translates to about 1 liter a day for their vehicles and for all their police stations in the country. Yeah, you know that if you have a police orderly with you, given by the police, you have to give him money to buy bullets. That the police does not supply him bullets. Don't you know that Nigeria's elite are buying bullets for their police? That they're buying bulletproof vests for their police? All these police you see with Nigeria's elite are not getting any bullet from the police force. They are buying it. They know that there's a black market for bullets in Lagos, in Onitsha, in Enugu. There's a black market for police. The Nigerian state has no capacity. 100 police officers, and they have 1 vehicle. Nigerian police officers buy their own uniform. Are you not aware that Nigerian security officers use MTN modem for internet to send emails in the DSS, in NIA, that they're using modem, that they have no secured platform of communication? Don't you know that? Don't you know that the Federal Executive Council, that the memos that are written and typed in the office of the Cabinet Secretariat have no secured communication?
They're sent at yahoo.com?
Yes, go there now and check. Everybody is presenting at Gmail, at Yahoo, at this. From security forces.